Hey everyone, notice ChatGPT isn't generating or showing you the images with its new image generator? Don't worry, I've got some quick fixes to try. Let's dive in. First up, let's keep it simple. Just hit that refresh button on your browser or press F5 on your keyboard. Sometimes the system glitches and a quick reset can get this new image generator to show up for you. Still no luck? Try logging out of your ChatGPT account. Click on your profile and hit log out. Then log back in. This can shake off any weird login bugs messing with the image generation. Okay, next up, let's just clear the browser cache. Go ahead and click on the settings button next to the website link, then clear the browsing data like I just did. For even more of a chance of fixing this, you can also go ahead and restart your browser. It's like giving ChatGPT a fresh start. If none of that works, it might not be you. It could be where you are, and the image generation tool isn't available everywhere yet. So if you're still stuck, it might not be rolled out in your region. Hang tight, it could be coming soon. That's it guys. Refresh, log out and log in, clear your cache. Or just wait if it's a region thing. Let me know how it goes in the comments and if this helped. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time.